Lionel from Riverside, California has a question about a concrete.
Yeah, this is a new meets old issue, Tom. Lionel writes, I have a 100-year-old house with 30 yards of new cement from 5 years ago, and I'd like it to have this old weathered look here. It's kind of a, see what I mean? It's a little older.
You see the aggregate. It's an exposed aggregate, yes.
That's what it is. Okay, well, he says, I like these old driveways and sidewalks in the neighborhoods where you can see the sand and the cement like that. And he wants to know, how do I get that look, making it look like it's been there for 100 years? What say you?
What say me is this. You're going to have two choices. One is jackhammer it all out, and then next time you pour the other stuff, you want to get a contractor that can get an exposed aggregate look. Okay. But it'll still be cleaner looking. You can't make it look super old. The other option is to have someone put a coating on there who's very talented that can match that kind of look. So it won't have the same texture, but you can have the same look to it if you get somebody good.
If you're going to go that route, wouldn't you just cover the whole thing? So
I mean, you want to make it even. There's no way new concrete will ever match older concrete. Right. It just doesn't happen.
So if you go with a covering like that, I'm saying you just cover everything to make it all uniform.
Yeah. But to get that look, you could have requested an exposed aggregate. But
it still wouldn't have matched.
It would have been a whiter color. Yeah.
Right.
It wouldn't have that dark gray look to it unless they put some dye in it.
Oh.
But that would have been very expensive. And this is the problem with something like that. Instead of the coating, if it doesn't work,
you're stuck.
Concrete's really unforgiving. Okay, so coming out, or you're going to be stuck with it, or you're going to put a coating on top. If the coating doesn't work, you can just recoat it and get a little bit better look that you want.
That's why they call it concrete.
Yeah.
All right.
And not cement.
That's it.
Okay.
You got to quit. What's the difference?
Cement is the powder that goes into the mixture that creates concrete.
Well, there you go.
Concrete has rocks, sands, and cements.
Is that the Portland part of it?
Portland, that's right. Okay. That's Portland cement.
Okay, there you go.
People make that use that term wrong all the time.
Little extra for you there, Lionel.
All right. That's fine.
We always put a little extra in when you send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video that looks something like these ones over here. Subscribe to our channel, please, and click the bell. We'll ring yours whenever we post a new one.